Welcome to Getemba Electricals. Today I'm going to show you how to install a surge stop to this hammer or Energiser 640. The one we have been dealing with was a hammer 630, so this is a hammer 640. So you open this screw up here first. There's one screw at this side and this other screw at the top. So after removing those screws, now you remove the cover, and now this is our surge stop. This is our surge stop. So I'm going to show you how we connect it. So you cut this wire that comes from the socket to the hammer at the middle, and then you strip this wire for it to fit in the surge stop. So you strip like this. It's so simple. Like that. So you pass your wire through that hole there, and then you connect your wire, the wire that goes to the hammer. You connect it to the output. Connect it to the output, brown to brown. That is alive. And blue to blue. Blue to blue, so it's neutral. So it is the one that goes to the hammer. You connect it to output. It's clearly indicated, so no guessing. No guessing. So this one that goes to the socket, you connect it. You first pass it through this hole here, then strip it. Then you strip it. Like that. Cut the sheath. Then you strip these wires, and then you'll connect them to the place indicated input. So like you see here, this is the one that goes to the socket. So you connect brown to brown. Everything is clearly indicated, so no guessing. Otherwise you will cause a lot of harm. So you make sure everything is okay and everything is tightened. It's completely tightened. So this is our neutral. We are fixing our neutral to finish the connection. Like this. This is our brown. This is our brown wire. You connect it to brown like I said. But now this one is connected to input. Make sure it's tight. And then this is our neutral. Again is connected to input. This is the one that comes from the socket. You make sure it's tight. And we are done. This is how it looks. A very nice job. So this top plug will go to socket, come through the power surge, and then to the hammer. So now after installing and mounting, this is how it looks. A very nice job. Like